Lesson 1. Points, lines, and planes. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Define geometry and understand its importance in real life. 2. Identify and describe basic geometric terms, points, lines, planes, and space. 3. Recognize the difference between collinear and coplanar points. And 4. Use geometric notation correctly. Geometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the study of shapes, sizes, positions, and properties of space. It is used in many fields, including engineering, architecture, art, physics, and navigation. Here are a few real-life examples of geometry. Architects use geometry to design buildings. Carpenters measure angles to cut wood accurately. GPS systems rely on geometric calculations to determine locations. Why is geometry important? Understanding geometric concepts helps us solve problems related to space, design, and structure. Let's define some basic geometric concepts. Let's start by defining a point. A point represents a location in space. It has no size, width, or depth. It is simply a position. Points are usually labeled with capital letters like point A, point B, etc. Here is an example of a labeled point below. A line is a straight path that extends infinitely in both directions. It has no thickness, but an infinite length. A line is named using 2 points on the line, for example, line AB, or a lowercase letter, for example, line L. This is the symbol we use to describe a line. A line segment is part of a line with 2 endpoints. Unlike a line, it has a definite length. A segment is named by its 2 endpoints, for example, segment AB. This is the symbol we use to describe a line segment. A ray is a part of a line that starts at one point and extends infinitely in one direction. A ray is named with its endpoint first, followed by another point on the ray, for example, ray AB. This is the symbol we use to describe a ray. A plane is a flat, two-dimensional surface that extends infinitely in all directions. It has length and width, but no thickness. Named by 3 non-collinear points, for example, plane ABC, or by a single uppercase letter, for example, plane P. In 3 dimensions, we look at space, which is the set of all points in the dimensions. It has length, width, and height. Now let's discuss collinear and coplanar points. Collinear points are points that lie on the same line. For example, if A, B, and C all lie on line L, they are collinear. Coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. For example, if points A, B, C, and D are on the same sheet of paper, they are coplanar. Here is a geometric notation summary table. It is important to know when to use the right notation when answering future geometric problems. In conclusion, make sure you check your understanding of these basic concepts in geometry, as we will be building on them a lot in the following lessons. To check your understanding, make sure you can answer these questions below. See you in the next lesson.